Agrawal, and today I'll be telling you that how you can express time in German. So there are two ways to do so. First one is official and the second is unofficial. In German we call them as offizielle and unoffizielle. Now where do we use official language? We use official language in radio stations when we listen to radios, on train stations and etc. Where do we use unofficial language? We use unofficial language with our family members and friends. Let's have a look on the official one first. For example, if you have to tell it's 1 o'clock. So you'll say Es ist 1 Uhr. You will not use S over here. We will simply say Es ist 1 Uhr. Uhr is for o'clock and ein is for 1. Es ist 1 Uhr. And one more thing I'll tell you that I would like to tell you that in German we pronounce Z as S and S as Z or Z. And for telling time in German, you all must know counting till 60 at least. So for next example, 3:30. You will say Es ist means it is 3 Uhr. 3 Uhr is for 3 o'clock. And then 30 minutes. The minute part will come at the end, 13. Es ist 3 Uhr 13. It's 3 o'clock and 30 minutes. Next example, 6:15. Es ist 6 Uhr 15. Now in German we use 24-hour clock most of the time. You can also use 12-hour clock, but 24-hour clock is most preferable. So 23:20 you will say Es ist 23 Uhr und 20. Now let's have a look on the unofficial one. For that you must know some of these words. First one is Uhr that I have already told you. Second is for. In German we also pronounce V as F. Alright? So for. For means before. Nach. CH. The pronunciation of CH is like K of Hindi alphabet. K. So nach means after or past. Viertel. Viertel means quarter, that means 15 minutes. Halb. Halb means half. Now let's have a look how to express it. For example, it's 2 o'clock. This one is same if you have to tell normal time like in hours, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will say simply Es ist 2 Uhr. This example is same for both of them. Next, it's 2:15. You will say Es ist Viertel nach 2. Now what it means? It means it is quarter past 2 or 15 minutes after 2. Next one, 2:30. Es ist halb 3. Now in English we say it's 2:30 means 30 minutes have been gone after 2. But in German we express it as they are 30 minutes to 3. Es ist halb 3 means they are still 30 minutes to 3. Next example, 2:45. Es ist Viertel vor 3. Now for means before means it is 15 minutes before 3. Now 2:10. We will say Es ist 10 nach 2. Means it is 10 minutes after 2. Now 2:35. You will say Es ist 5 nach halb 3 means it is 5 minutes after 3. You might have noticed in unofficial time we take the time references as for example 2, 2:15, 2:30 and 2:45. उन्हीं के अकॉर्डिंग फिर हम बाकी के जो उनके बीच के टाइम स्लॉट्स हैं उनको बताते हैं. जैसे कि यहाँ पर था here 2:10 तो हमने या तो 2 लिया कि Es ist 10 nach 2. या फिर नेक्स्ट वाले में जैसे 2:35 था तो हमने क्या किया Es ist 5 nach halb 3 तो हमने halb 3 का प्रेफरेंस किया. ओके, so that was all. Thank you so much for watching and do know me your doubts in the comment section below.